Good morning, and welcome to episode 72 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Checkan, president of Asset Strategies International, and today is Wednesday, April 27th, 2022. Earlier this week, precious metals prices across the board pulled back sharply along with U.S. equities. At the same time, the U.S. dollar index continued to flex its muscles, moving north of 100 and 101 on the U.S. dollar index. All of this is in reaction to tough talk from Fed Chairman Jerome Powell talking about very meaningful interest rate hikes, not 25 basis points, but 50, 75 at a pop, and 2 to 3 of those per year in order to get inflation under control. We'll soon see how firm Chairman Powell's resolve is. Is it strong? Will he follow through on his tough talk, or will he cave to the pressures of Wall Street selling off? It looks like we're going to get our answer sooner than later. Now, even though the precious metals prices have been falling in the spot market, investor demand remains through the roof. And if you're an investor looking to buy fabricated coins and bars, what you've noticed are that premiums are up, delivery times are delayed, extended periods of time where you normally see shipping right away for a wire payment. It may not go out 4 to 6 weeks or longer. This is nothing new, folks. We've seen this over time. In fact, here are the last 5 times we've seen demand-driven fabricated bar and coin shortages, we call supply squeezes here in the precious metals market. 5 times ago, it was Y2K, the turn of the millennium. Everybody was worried that those digits were going to make a difference and the whole world was going to collapse, and everybody started buying up physical coins and bars. Then fast forward to 2015, the summer of 2015, we were wrestling with Grexit, the Greek exit from the European Union that did not happen, as well as in August of that year, 2015, we saw the Chinese market meltdown, which had repercussions around the globe. Next up was COVID-19 and the pandemic. We're still dealing with the remnants of that COVID-19 pandemic, but it generated a panic and a rush to safe haven in precious metals. Then we saw WallStreetBets, very short-lived attack on silver where they're trying to drive up the price. It went up, it came down, and all of that lasted about 3-4 days, but it did trigger demand for fabricated coins and bars that was not satisfied right away. And most recently, we're seeing this as a result of the Russian invasion of Ukraine. So the last episode is the one we're in right now. In all of this, you have to understand that there is no shortage of gold and silver. There is a shortage of fabricated coins and bars. We cannot keep up with the demand. The mints, the refiners cannot keep up with the demand. So the premium goes up, delivery times go up, and if you want it bad enough, you're going to pay dearly for it. Okay, so that's what's going on right now. Now, I will tell you, through the life of all of those 5 supply squeezes that I just mentioned, there's 2 things that you could have done to protect yourself, not fall prey to premiums, not fall prey to long delivery times. The first one is to call your trusted dealer. Call us. We'll let you know what's available in the market at a reasonable premium and at reasonable delivery times. And as a second option, since it's been around the entire time, it's in its 25th year now as ASI is in its 40th year, the Perth Mint Certificate Program. It has been in place and available to investors for all of those supply squeezes. And here's the deal. Not once in that 25 years have the premiums gone up or have delivery times gone up. The metal's available, folks. You just don't have to pay dearly for it, and you don't have to wait forever to get it. Call us if you're looking to buy. Right now, with these pullbacks, this is a great time to take advantage of these low prices, lower than they ought to be, and you don't have to suffer the premiums and the delivery times of a supply squeeze, but you can still take advantage of those low spot prices. As always, we want you to subscribe to us and like us on the YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our media through Asset Strategies, as well as our Information Line newsletter and our twice weekly, always something interesting alerts. And please don't ever forget that getting rich starts with keeping what's yours.